Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll show you how to fix an iPhone that won't connect to Bluetooth. Thanks to Bluetooth, your iPhone can pair many different devices like iPods, speakers, and cars wirelessly to stream audio, videos, songs, and so on. You just need to go to Settings, tap Bluetooth, find and tap the name of the Bluetooth device, and you're done after seeing the connected message. The process is easy, until the day your iPhone won't connect to Bluetooth. For example, it won't find any Bluetooth devices to pair with them, or the iPhone says not connected and there is no sound after pairing the Bluetooth devices. Take a breath. Whether you have trouble pairing Apple or third-party Bluetooth devices, we'll help you figure out the reasons and get the Bluetooth connection working again. Why is your iPhone not connecting to Bluetooth? There could be a number of reasons for iPhone Bluetooth pairing problems. The Bluetooth accessory has a low battery and is too far away from the iPhone. The Bluetooth device isn't in discoverable mode or has been connected to other devices. There is something wrong with the phone system. Your iPhone is running an old version of iOS. Unknown errors crop up from the network settings. Hardware damage could also cause Bluetooth connectivity issues on iPhone. Now, follow me to walk through how to fix iPhone Bluetooth not connecting. They work for all iPhone models running from older iOS versions like iOS 12 to later iOS versions like iOS 18. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. 1. Toggle on Bluetooth. To start, check if you've turned on the Bluetooth feature on your iPhone. Swipe up or down the screen to open the control center. Tap on the Bluetooth icon to turn it on and make sure the icon color is blue. You can also do that through the Settings app. If you're using an app with a Bluetooth accessory, make sure the Bluetooth feature is enabled for that app. Go to Settings, scroll down a little bit and tap Privacy and Security. Scroll down to find and choose Bluetooth. Find the name of the app and move the toggle to a green location to turn it on. 2. Ensure the Bluetooth device has enough power and is close to iPhone. The Bluetooth could stop connecting to the device if the target Bluetooth accessory is at low power or out of range of your iPhone. So, plug the Bluetooth accessory into power first. Then, move it closer to your iPhone. A suitable Bluetooth range is within 30 feet and make sure there is no obstacle in the middle. Now, pair your iPhone with the Bluetooth accessory again and see if it works. 3. Make sure the Bluetooth device is in pairing mode. An accessory only transmits Bluetooth signals properly when it's set to discoverable mode. If your Bluetooth connectivity problem is your iPhone not finding the device, then it's possible that the device is not ready to be paired. To figure it out, open the Settings app. Tap Bluetooth. There will be a list of devices you've connected and other new accessories. Take a look to see if the Bluetooth device you want to pair is listed there. If you find it, just tap to connect it. If not, restart the Bluetooth device. Put it in pairing mode again, then reconnect. If you've set it in pairing mode but you still can't connect a Bluetooth accessory to iPhone, it's possible that it's already connected to another device. Eliminate each nearby device one by one until you find the connected one to troubleshoot your iPhone's Bluetooth connection. 4. Remove the Bluetooth device then pair again. A quick connection refresh could also help fix the iPhone not connecting to Bluetooth. Here's what you need to do. Go to Settings. Choose Bluetooth. Under the My Devices tab, find the Bluetooth accessory name and tap the More Information button next to it. Select Forget this device to unpair the device. Next, restart the Bluetooth accessory and put it back in discovery mode. On your iPhone, pair and connect the accessory again and see if Bluetooth is working now. 5. Disconnect other Bluetooth devices from your iPhone. Having multiple Bluetooth accessories paired on your iPhone sometimes could lead to conflicts. To solve iPhone Bluetooth not pairing in this case, remove Bluetooth devices you no longer use. Here's what you need to do. Go to Settings, choose Bluetooth. Under the My Devices tab, tap the I button on the most right of each device name. Select Forget this device. Repeat the steps until all the Bluetooth devices you've paired before are removed. Next, find the name of the Bluetooth device you're going to pair and tap it to connect. If it's paired, there will be a connected message next to the name of the Bluetooth device. 6. Restart iPhone to refresh Bluetooth connection. Pairing a Bluetooth accessory requires a stable operating system on your iPhone. If you find an iPhone won't pair Bluetooth but other devices like a computer will with the same Bluetooth accessory, then your iPhone itself should be at fault. Try restarting the device first to clear out any temporary glitches. If you're using an iPhone 10 or later models, press both volume up or down button and the side button together and drag the power off slider to shut down the device. Wait at least 30 seconds, then long press the side button until the Apple logo appears. If you're using an iPhone 8 or older models, long press the side button and drag the power off slider to shut down the device. Wait at least 30 seconds, then long press the side button until the Apple logo appears. Try connecting to Bluetooth again on iPhone after you've done this and see if the Bluetooth connection is successful now. 7. Update the software then connect Bluetooth again. If a restart doesn't work, try to update your phone's operating system to its latest version. Sometimes, a Bluetooth accessory won't connect to an iPhone if it's running a too old iOS. So, check if there is a recent firmware update available on your iPhone. To do that, go to Settings. Tap on General. Tap on Software Update. Let the updater check for new updates. Wait for a few seconds. If an update is available, proceed to download and install the update. Then, pair an accessory with Bluetooth on iPhone after the update. If the device is running its latest iOS version, move to the next step. 8. Bring the network settings to factory defaults. If you are still unable to pair a Bluetooth accessory with device, try resetting the network settings. It'll remove previous connected Bluetooth networks and others like Wi-Fi connection, VPN, etc. and bring these settings back to their factory defaults. You'll need to reconnect these networks after the reset. Here's what you need to do. Go to Settings, tap General, scroll all the way down and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone from the bottom. Tap Reset. From the opening options list, choose Reset Network Settings. Enter the passcode and the network reset process will begin in seconds. After the reset, reconnect the Bluetooth device and it should work now. 9. Contact tech support. If the Bluetooth is still not working on your iPhone, consider referring to the manufacturer's support for further troubleshooting. Perhaps the accessory doesn't support Bluetooth or is not compatible with the iPhone. Maybe the damaged internal components on iPhone don't allow you to turn on Bluetooth or connect any Bluetooth accessories. Whatever, visit the service center or call customer service online for help. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of our video on how to fix an iPhone not connecting to Bluetooth. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video is helpful for you. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more tech-related content. Until next time.